So if it's two things y'all know I love, it's date night and my birthday. Date night and my birthday, and both are approaching. Date night is coming up, my birthday is coming up, and guess what? I got a package. Shout out to my friends over at Black Radiance for sending me this package. I have no idea what's in here. No clue. They let me know they were sending me something and I have no clue what's in here. So today, we're gonna do an unboxing video from Black Radiance. I'm super excited. I don't know what's in here. I am a OG Black Radiance lover, baddie, all of that. Gonna cut open the package. I didn't even open it, y'all, because I really want to be surprised. I really wanted to be surprised. Oh, first thing I see, it says Sheena, and it says Black Radiance on the back. Oh my God. Let's see what's in the package. Ah! Got some goodies. I'm so excited. Okay, branded paper. Black Radiance. Whoop whoop. Y'all, I got milk chocolate soft focus powder. This is the GOAT. They have different shades. Go find your shade. This is gonna be buttery smooth. It's gonna be perfect, rich, and it's a powder, but it has a nice smooth finish, which is why it's called the soft focus powder. Oh my God, OG fave. Blue setting powder. Comes with a little puff and the tape to keep it from spilling. I'm gonna do a whole face full of Black Radiance, okay? One of my favorite blushes. This is the Baked Blush, okay? Look at that, just look, beautimous, it's beautiful. Oh, this is a new one. It's like a fuchsia pink blush. This is gonna look good on any skin tone, y'all. Oh, y'all, look at that against my, look at that against my skin. Oh, you see, I can't wait. Guys, I am so excited. This is my favorite. I love a gold glitter. I love a gold glitter, especially on my skin tone. It'll look good on any skin tone, but it pops on me so hard. Oh my God. Lip stain. Ooh, yes. Left on red and Portuguese brown. Look at that. Oh my God. This is the Baked Blush and Warm Berry. My favorite. This is the Warm Berry. This one is the Warm Berry, y'all. This one is the Warm Berry. Oh my God. Ah. And there is another one. Toasted Almond. Get into it. Other favorite thing from Black Radiance is the contour palette. Oldie but goodie. And it even has a guide right here. I love how they make this guide so you know where to place it. That would be a cute Black Radiance girly, okay? And then this is the light to medium. Also comes with the guide. Another complexion palette in dark to deep. Okay, so there is a contour complexion palette for everybody, okay? Light to medium, medium to dark, and dark to deep. They have everyone's shade. Everyone can wear this makeup. Look at all these pressed powders, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the Pigment Rich Radiant Pressed Powder. I haven't tried these either. Ooh, we got Black Coffee. We have Ebony, Rich Mahogany, and Cafe. Y'all. Comment one look for day night and one look for my birthday as well. The thing I like about Black Radiance is their packaging. I actually love that because it's really great for traveling. Everything is a nice size. It's like they have it compact, but it comes with a lot of product. And all this stuff is just easy to travel with because I am going on a trip soon. And all of this will just be perfect for this. I won't have to buy anything. I can absolutely do a complete face with this. I have everything that I need. That is everything, y'all. That's everything that's in the box.